In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a property in Notion, step by step. If you're working with databases in Notion and you have columns or properties you no longer need, removing them the right way can help keep your workspace clean and easy to manage. This is perfect for beginners as well as experienced Notion users who want to streamline their databases. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the database where the property you want to delete is located. This can be any type of database, like a table, board, calendar, or list view. Make sure you're viewing the database itself and not just an individual page inside it. Once you're in the correct database, take a moment to confirm that you're working in the right place, because deleting a property will remove it from the entire database, not just one view. Next, look at the top of the database where all the column headers or properties are displayed. Find the property you want to delete. In this example, we're using a property called priority, but the same steps apply to any property type, such as text, select, multi-select, date, or checkbox. Hover your mouse over the property name until you see the menu options appear. Now click directly on the property name. This will open the Property Settings panel. In this panel, you'll see options to change the property type, rename it, adjust settings, and manage how it behaves in your database. Scroll through this menu carefully until you find the option labeled Delete Property. Once you see Delete Property, click on it. Notion will then show a confirmation prompt asking you to confirm the deletion. This is an important step because deleting a property is permanent and will remove all data stored in that property across the entire database. If you're not sure, you may want to double-check that you don't need this information anymore, or consider duplicating the database as a backup. When you're ready, click on Delete to confirm. As soon as you do this, the property will be removed from the database instantly. You'll see that the column disappears and all associated data is permanently deleted. There's no undo option after this step, so always be sure before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a property in Notion. This simple process can make a big difference in keeping your databases organized, especially as they grow over time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.